How to use auto clicker on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kit and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to use auto clicker, first of all you have to download the auto clicker application in your Android device. For that, open up the Play Store and in the search bar, search for auto clicker. Then install this application right here. After the application is installed, open up it. Now it will ask for your permission, tap on OK. Now you have to allow the permission for this application, then tap on allow. Now go back. And after you open it up, you will have this interface. There you will get two modes, that is single target mode and multi-target mode. Now if you would like to auto tap in multiple positions, then you can go with multi-tap, or you can simply choose single target mode and then tap on enable button right there. After that, you will have this toolbar pop up in your interface on your left hand side along with this pointer right here. Now with the help of this pointer, you can have auto click in your device. Now what you can do is close this interface. Now open up the keyboard. Now you can place this wherever you like. So you can place this pointer wherever you like. For example, I will keep this in this D right here. After you're done, you have to set up a few settings. For that, tap on this gear icon from this toolbar at the left hand side of your interface. Now that's gonna take you to this page where it says click interval. Now the interval time between each click, so you can set that. Tap on this drop down box next to milliseconds. And from this pop-up box, you can either choose millisecond, second or minute. And within this interval of time, the auto click will click on each interval. Here I will go with millisecond. And after its millisecond, the screen will be auto clicked. And under that it says stop after. Now if you want to run your auto click indefinitely, go with the first one. Now you can also choose the amount of time that you want to run your auto click for. Tap on amount of time and then you can set a timer right here and then tap on OK. After that you have to choose the second option. And the third option, it says number of cycle. So you can also provide the number of cycle that you would like to have the auto click. Here I will go with 5. And after that you have to choose the third option if you want to go with number of cycle. Here I will just go with run indefinitely, and after you do that, tap on the save button. Again, you have to open up a keyboard. Once you do that, you will have this pointer in this D right here. After that, all you have to do is play, and here it will just auto click. So that's how you can use auto click on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.